Even if you use Google Docs regularly, I am sure there must be many features you haven't heard of yet. Like, did you know you can present your screen during a video call directly in Google Docs or add a watermark to a confidential document? Let me tell you 5 such powerful Google Docs features in this video.
But before I begin, make sure you use these features on your computer because a lot of them are not available on phone.
@ is like a magic button for Google Docs. When you type @ you will get many quick options. You can tag people by choosing people from your mail list, and when you hover around their name, you can mail them, message them, start a video call, or even schedule an event. You can add notes from your last Google Meet meeting or even draft an email and preview it in Gmail directly from here. You can even add other Google Docs files so that other viewers can see them. Further, you can add media files like tables, images, drawings, and charts. And if you want to add a date, just type @ and choose a specific date, like today's or tomorrow's date, and it will be added automatically in the exact format. You can explore the @ option and you will be surprised to see there are endless features that you can access.
Another important tool in Google Docs is adding a watermark to a document. Now, if you often deal with confidential information, then this can be really helpful to you.
Now go to Insert at the top and choose the watermark option. In the panel on the right hand side, click on Select Image. And then you can choose to upload the image from your computer or via URL, your Drive, Photos, or your camera. And from the right panel, you can also format your watermark and decrease its size or adjust it. Other image options are also available right here. Now this watermark will appear behind your text and will repeat on every page of your document. You can also edit or delete watermarks in your document. When you are on a Meet call and you want to show a Google Docs file that you have to open in your browser, you can simply click on the Present Now option just beside the Share button. You can then choose to select your entire screen, a window or a tab, and you will be able to present your doc during the call. You can then choose to enable or disable audio from the options, and when you are done, you can click on Stop Presenting. Now this only works when you have your Google Docs file and Google Meet video call open in the Chrome browser.
Explore option is another useful feature in Google Docs. Now, if you research a lot while writing a document, then this can be really helpful to you and can help you get your work done faster.
Now for this, just click on Explore in the bottom right hand corner indicated by a star-like icon. You can search the topics that you have talked about in your Google Doc, and this feature even works for your Google Drive files. You can quickly research other documents and websites. You can also find pictures to match your document topic and even choose to insert in your doc. Lastly, if your Google Docs file is edited by a lot of people, then you might want to check the changes everyone has made and refer or switch to earlier versions. So just click on File at the top and choose Version History. You can click a timestamp to see the changes made to your doc, and below the timestamp, you will also see the names of the people who have edited your document. And if you wish to revert to your old doc version, just click Restore this version and you will get your old doc back. But just remember, if you restore to the old version, the changes or additions made since that version will be removed.
Do try this out, these nifty Google Docs feature, and let me know in the comment section below if I missed adding any other such hidden Google Docs feature that you know of. I'll catch up with you in the next video.